Hello guys, it is me, Lava, and
The Zach and Owen Experience.
Today we will be doing Will You Press the Button? Okay, Zach, you can read them.
You can erase
Humanity
humanity and all negative effects that have affected the world, so you can remain indefinitely. But you will remain alive and alone as the planet's guardian with no physical form for all eternity.
Zach, what would you choose?
I would not click the button.
Yeah, I'm not. Oh, come, I don't like these ads. Oh, let's go.
You can read it.
Now I'll do this one.
Okay. You have the ability to jump from one body to another, taking another person's life in your hands. But you can't jump back to bodies you have already been in before.
So you're saying I can't? So you're saying if I jumped into your body, I can't go back in mine?
Mhm. This one's a question that you.
Nope. Why?
I guess people just want to say themselves. I don't think people are gonna want to live too long.
Okay, let's read them.
Just to have the
Stephen Days. Just to have the ability doesn't mean I have to use it right away.
Exactly.
I agree.
Like if you want to live, if you want to keep living, but you're like if you're about to die or something, and you can do it like really quickly.
Oh yeah, that's true. Why is there an ad? Oh my god.
Next question.
I'll read these. Yeah, I'll read these three now. So at the end of my life, I can ditch my old body and start. Spell continue wrong. Continue living in someone else's body?
There's no downside. Of course,
There's no downside. There's not.
All right, next question.
Like, you can just live infinitely. I get it. Oh my god. Except. What?
Next question.
Okay, I don't care.
There you
Kryros.
go.
Life sucks. I'll take his. He seems happy.
Don't do the entire video just reading comments.
I'm not. Next. I'm just reading for each.
I know.
Mm-hmm.
You can go to your favorite fictional world, but you have to kill the main character.
I pressed it.
You're supposed to tell them your answer before you press.
Well, I want to kill.
Why would you want to kill the main character?
So I can be the main character.
Can't possibly.
Oh, heck no.
What? 6 superpowers? 6 superpowers?
Can't possibly be that hard to kill a young boy after that. Hang on. Oh my, go away, Ad. After that, I would do a mix of mass murder and or researching Pokemon. I did not think of that. 6 superpowers. 6 superpowers. Stinking ads.
You have the comfiest bed ever, but every TV you ever watch has to be really old and crappy.
Nah. Wow. I get to sleep. Hang on. Wow. I get to sleep without the need to watch TV. Also, YouTube exists. Someone that can't think. And I just read blackout buttons. Why do 60% of people not understand the supercomputer we have in our world? Pockets / bags. I agree with that, right? Oh my god, these are long sentences.
Anyone two-sliced popular
Sided.
two-sided popular subject you take an interest in pro-life versus pro-choice, legalizing marijuana versus remaining illegal will instantly go in a favor of your preference, causing everyone to agree on the side of your choosing. But immediately after decision, your opinions completely shift in favor of the side you don't choose, and you are the only one who still argues that your choice was wrong.
Oh.
You can't press that.
Yeah, heck no.
Wow, that was.
Why do people want to? 30% of people. Why? 31.
Yeah. We chose the right answer.
I know, like literally. I am a dick. Am I the only one who didn't ever read it and just click either yes or no? No, you're not.
You can draw exactly as they look in your imagination, but you can never make money from it. No, you can't. I don't think I would desperately need money from that. What?
I have 5 minutes left.
Alright, lava's back. Come back.
You press it? Yeah!
I pressed no and it led me to that. Next one.
Wait, what did you choose for the last question I saw before I left?
I'm cutting out that one. That question was inappropriate.
That was true.
Next question.
Oh, wait, this
You
one.
can have X-ray vision and will be able to look through people's clothing
Oh,
for some reason.
that's
But you can't
sus.
control it. Anyone you look at will be.
Instantly, next question. Oh my god. That goes a lot to my head. Okay.
You can gain any 6 powers you want, but you have no secret identity, so you and your family are always hunted.
No way. 56% of people.
I feel like if you had 6 powers, though, you can probably defend yourself.
Oh yeah, that's true. What if I didn't? But I want to know how to use them.
I can choose a power that me and my family will never hunt.
Oh yeah, that's true. You can Uno reverse. I agree with that. I'm liking it. My first power is every bad thing that happened to me and anything I love, will happen to the one that caused it or other people at my choice. Problem solved. Why didn't I think of that? I don't think about these.
We need to end world hunger, but no TV, alcohol, nor internet for life.
I don't care about alcohol.
Yeah, we can't survive without that. Like internet means is all our life.
I know. Internet is all we need to live. Like I could just lay in like
Phones and stuff.
well, they just wouldn't work. Okay, no time for reading. I have like 3 minutes. Okay.
Will get the girl you love, but you will die at the age of 25. Yeah, I'm not gonna.
Oh, I agree. Hold up. Wait a minute. Stop thinking that. Look at the green bar.
Wait a. Oh, that's kind of funny because it says you'll die at 25 and.
That's a legit game joke. Right?
Yeah.
Next.
Become the best at whatever art form you choose, but never be happy with what you create. I think I'll press the button because you'll probably still, even if you like get old enough, you could probably like make money off it. So.
That's true. I get it. I get it now. I don't care if I'm not happy.
You can go into any book universe that you want,
But you have to remain there for at least a month, and your favorite character will hit you.
I don't know.
No. I'll go into Venom's universe. But I don't have any Brocks.
Venom would probably eat you if he hated you.
No. Well, that's true. I don't think Eddie would call me back either.
All right, last question. You get to live in a mansion wherever is provided to you, but you can't leave the mansion and will be studied through cameras by secret organism 24/7.
That is bad.
I don't.
Look.
Oh yeah.
Do you want to be spied?
You want people to be watching you while you sleep and stuff.
I know.
Wow.
Oh my god. Well, I guess we have to end it here. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to comment what we should do next. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We are 1 subscriber away from 1 hour in the basement. But if we get 4, 3, or 2, I have to spend more hours. And I literally have to scream for food. Also, there's spiders in the basement because I have arachnophobia. If you want to see me be scared, just subscribe. At least, please. At least one of you. Oh my god, so. Just subscribe for no reason if you want. Okay? But I'm still doing the basement thing. Also, since I got my Halloween costume, which comes with a mask, you know what that means. Remember the community post I made? It says body reveal.
Uh-huh.
I actually commented on my own community post saying with a mask. So that's my special plan. Sure.